Hi there guys, so today I'm going to try trading people for their very rare store pets in exchange for a large quantity of my commons and uncommons. So I have this group right here, the 5-for-1 chicken dollar shop, that has a lot of pets in it. So I'm going to go ahead and use these pets for 50 of these pets for other people's store pets. And so I don't know how many people are going to want to do that, but my plan with the store pets is to gift them to people. So I'll use these pets to get the store pets, and then I'll put the store pets in this group right here with, like, this one right here. I paid chicken dollars for this, I think, but I got a really good deal for it. So I went ahead and put it in my blessings group. So I'm just going to kind of rearrange this blessings group by taking some of the commons and very commons, because not a lot of people, I mean, they'll appreciate it, but it's just, I would rather give people bigger and better. So I'm going to go ahead and see if people want to trade their store pets for 50 of my pets. So I'm going to go ahead and bump my topic. 50 of my pets for your one store pet. And I'm going to say read post in my 5-for-1 chicken dollar shop. Grab 50 of the pets in exchange for your one store pet. I will be using the store pet to gift other users. I'll be using the store pets I receive through these trades to gift other users on ChickenSmoothie. See if anyone clicks that. Okay, one person looked at it. Alright, so I already have a trade in process, but it's not only 50, it's a lot of pets in exchange for these store pets. So I need to add 50 more to this to make it fair. Honestly, I was getting tired of clicking all the pets, so I went ahead and saw if it would be okay if I just did 400, but I'm gonna have to add 50 more. So join me as I'm adding 50 more pets to this trade. Oops. Oh. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright, so that is 50 more pets. Alright, so now let's see if I can go ahead and give my more common pets to in my blessings group to random users. Just kind of clear out the group. Blessings. Okay. Let's see. Some of these pets people would like to trade off. Okay, I'll go ahead and clear out all the horses. Some of these pets are just not gift worthy. I have plenty of these. Okay, so these pets are more the ones that people like to get. So, gift for you, God bless. Let's see what this is. Ooh, that looks good. Yep. Fine by me. Alright. Oh. Apparently I gave away one of my pound pets. Okay, so let's give this guy something. They joined recently, so. Oh, yay! Okay, that must have been the other trade. I got these guys. Alright, so I can add these guys into my giveaway group. Or blessings group. Okay, so let's give these guys some better pets since they're newer. We'll make sure we don't add any that are in other trades. The rares I like to give to people who have the rares on their wish list. It just makes it more fun to gift them. Alright, just gift for you. God bless. Okay. Oh, that's the. Still go ahead and put this guy in my trade group. So for the rares, for the very rares that I'm going to give away, I'm going to put messages inside of them. Like, just positive messages, like praying for you, or you are worth it, stuff like that. Let's gift more people. Let's see. Oh, I didn't see when they joined. Let me see if they have any good pets. They do, but they might still be new, so I'll go ahead and give them some blessings. Yes, so I already did that with some of these. You are loved, the Lord wants you, stuff like that. So I'm going to put the messages in the other rares like that, just to kind of give people hope, because this world needs a little bit of that. Alright, gift for you. And I put a lot of my pound pets in there. This person wants free stuff. Alright, give him some pets. I'm surprised the other people haven't claimed their. Oh, this is fun. Oh yeah, oh yeah. I love it when people have a lot of pets on their wish list. Okay, let's see. Yeah. Gift for you. God bless. Alright, I'm going to bump my topic again, see if I can get any more trades. Oh my goodness. Look at that. I'm pretty sure it was another pound pet. Okay. Quoted. 50 of my pets for your one store pet. It actually had, I think it was 3 views, which is actually quite a bit. Yes, okay. I like to see, aw, what people have to say. Aw, that was actually a pretty good pound find, wasn't it? Okay, gift a couple more people just to kind of finish up the commons in the blessings group. I'll leave it with only rares. Did I gift this person already? No, I didn't, but I have traded them. Okay. Okay, I know someone else who could take these guys because they love zebras. Okay. Gift for you. God bless. Was it another pound pet? Huh. It's crazy. Lemon. That's the one who... took all these pets for... Zebras for you. I like those zebras. I think I have them in my favorites group. Sweet. Oh. I will put this in my gift group. Thank you so much. You didn't have to do that. Okay. You are amazing. God loves you. Hang in there. I think that's perfect for this pet because it's hanging. Isn't that funny? Okay. So let's find our last couple people to take the commons out of that group. Oh wow, they have good pets. But we can still gift them. Oh, okay, small gift for you. Let me bump the topic again, see if people are up to the 50. Let's see if the pound is open. Oh, lost and found is. I don't like any of these items. I like the plushies, those are my favorite. I think everyone likes the plushies though. I actually have a group just for plushies. I have a bunch of hamsters in there, so I just put the items on top of them so you can't see them. But I've given them names, so I've given my items names by putting them on top of small pets that you can't see. I'm gonna take this one because I can put that on something. Let's see what the prices are. Oh, I thought that said 50. I was like, what? I'll take that. I don't like buying rares for like 20. I like buying newer store pets because they're easier to pay for. Okay, well, I'm not getting many trades now. I'll go ahead and add these guys to the blessings group. Before I end this video, I just want to add a couple things. So if you guys have pets that you would like to see gifted to other people, like other rares or very rares that you have, you can just give them to me, and I'll give them to people to prove that I will not just hoard all of these pets and give them to someone. I'll actually go ahead and give someone one of these very rare, cute little sloths real quick, if it's on their wish list. If it's not on their wish list, I'll find someone else. But just to show you guys that I will, oops, that's their side. I will give people these pets to bless them. Okay, it's not on this person's wish list, so we'll find someone else. Okay, there we go. Gift for you. God bless. Alright, so I'm sending this to them. So, I'm not just keeping these pets to myself. I am going to give them to other people. Possibly will video me giving them to other people, if that's what you guys want to see. Yay. So yeah, I'm buying any very rare pet for $20 chicken. I'm buying any 10 pets. It doesn't matter what species they are for $1 chicken. And then of course I have my own rare chicken dollar store and other chicken dollar store that you can buy from if you have some chicken dollars. But yeah, so thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next one.